I had an idea the other day. Back when I was living in Australia and I was 17, I was at a I was at a stable that had these vacuum cleaners that were used to clean horses. But that got me thinking the other day, you know when you have those like late night thoughts? And I was just like, I wonder if you can use a normal vacuum cleaner on your horse to clean him. And Jesse has been here distracting all of us, just chilling in the background. So, you wanna come? You've heard everything that we've just said. No, come, let's get him from the field. We can just cut across. Let's just go to the field. So you were like, I was just cleaning some things at the entrance to the arena, and then I look over and you
Chase, you better stay away. You don't know what's coming. You have no clue. I think he does. Look at the face.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, he knows. He knows. He's like, well, you know what? You go vacuum yourself, boy. Oh.
Did Macho get you? Huh? Yeah. Okay, let's grab the faucet.
Hey, meisje.
So,
There's a lot happening.
touch the fence.
Bruh.
You think? Touch it. Will you touch it?
What? What the fuck?
Why would you do?
No, then Chase gets it too.
Once we had the when we were at the when we were at the old place, I was like, yes, touch the fence, and then you wouldn't touch it, so I grabbed his arm and then I touched the fence.
Bruh.
I had it once on my head and now. And once with Annie, and then the whole fault broke, and she was shocked. I was shocked. What are you doing?
Run.
So there she goes, the sad story.
Camera woman's just left. So
I feel terrible.
Yeah. Oh, jeez.
It's the whole thing.
Okay.
I don't think it.
Horse. Too slippery. Okay. Horses in the wall were sad. This is not sad.
Bruh.
I mean, I think he used too much product. Doesn't
he
even.
likes it. Licking and chewing, he likes it.
He's just processing the stress.
Everybody in the horse world, it's licking and chewing and his ears are forward. He likes it.
I think it stays.
No, it's very slippery. He has no idea.
No, the stuff in the bucket.
Let's just coat it then. Oh yeah, this is gonna do this is gonna be really dusty. I think we're ready to go. Yes. Oh yeah, this is a dirty horse. Go boy. Ava, this is clean for my horse.
First time I see you with a vacuum cleaner.
Rude, that's not true at all. Okay. Outside and see what it looks like.
Okay.
I'm curious.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. She's so.
Ta-da-da-da.